AOTP and this nigga. We don't rumble no more. I will take it back and disrespect a nigga sliding before I pull that ratchet out. I'm going in. Why you running with those lanes that's tapped out? AOTP is frontline with they max out. And we don't rumble no more, we coming for war. I can hit you from a long range, don't care if you draw. And your eyes can't hit what they can't see. The M1 will melt a nigga wig like gangrene. And my trees is laced, bucket is half flip. My whole team got laced, half of them rich. The other half originate from the best part. My right hook will leave your face covered with stretch marks. When the swelling go down, I'm telling you clowns, my next step is filling up your melon with rounds. And this is warfare, niggas in war gear. The AOTP whole roster is all here. So fall back if you thinking of beefing, dog. I had my nigga Reef tie your mom to a tree with bombs.
The heavy metal king, whole big shit, I cock the heaters. Fat ball Puerto Ricans and the pasta eaters. Every move I make right, just got a lock and singers. Peace to Abraham, Ishmael, Jacob, Jesus. Peace to every man, woman and child. To Muhammad and his glorious Muezzin Bilal. You a swan eater, that means all your energy foul. I'm a divine leader, that means all my enemies bow. Yeah, but I ain't worried about my enemies now. Even though at times my team can be incredibly wild. Don't attempt to ever get me to smile, unless you wanna see what bullets through the heads of a child.
Hold up, pale horse, y'all niggas is running the frail course. Get up. Ain't nothing better than smelling a stale corpse. Depicted through your skeleton with elegant gloves. Purple blood on the fingers, we lock from hell and above. The shell from a slug. Turn grizzly bears into cubs. I make the birds fly south when we get it crunk in the club. It's nothing to us. We bustin' militant verses, belligerent syndicate. We spit the gift and the curses. You niggas worthless. I seen you in the cipher with your backpack. I'm way past that. May God strike you. You sounded like you was reading, you was offbeat even. So you left with your jaw leaking. I punished them all speaking. We all beefing. Niggas is running rampant. I curve verbs the type that can serve Sampras. Y'all all infantile niggas in Pampers. There's no